In my over 40 years in this business, I can't recall a spring into early summer that's been as stormy as this one.
Yeah, many attend church service in order to honor a power greater than themselves. And standing here amid what remains of Apple Grove Church outside of Argyle, it's hard not to feel humbled. The storms that rolled through here Saturday absolutely leveled what was once a quintessential piece of Americana. The congregation decided that they would still hold church service at their normally scheduled 10 a.m. time here on this very site.